welcome back to my channel.
Unforgiven, I'm a villain, unforgiven, 내가 기댈 거다. Unforgiven, I'm a villain, 수시대로 기억될 unforgiven. Yeah, what you want, 불편함이 get the face, wanna shut me up. 사냥감을 거듭해, 찾는 warriors. 나의 게임에 난 문제 없어, such a freak, 꽃이 커피. Let me tell you about the Sserafim. 내가 제일 싫은 건 내 근데 물림. 어둠속 불을 켜 맞춰 rebelling. We gonna keep breaking rules, gonna keep up.
I will be trying to dance to the song called Unforgiven by Sserafim. Okay, wait.
This part in the first verse will go and what? Let me tell you about the Sserafim and 5, 6, 7, 8.
This is not. No. This is a bad idea. This is a bad idea.
So just like anti-fragile, from here with your right hand out in, and then left hand same thing out in, followed by the hip down here right and left. Okay.
Okay, so wait. Let me tell you about Sserafim. Like how she does that? Like okay, hold on. Okay, I have a fish, and then when she does it, it looks pretty. Okay, when she does it, it looks pretty. I don't know how she does that. Hold on, let me see. I can do this. I'm smart.
11 and 5, 6, 7.
Wait, how? Okay. Wait, should I? Let me tell you about the Sserafim. Let me tell you about the Sserafim. How do these people do this? I'm already out of breath. She does this thing with her hip, I guess. Like, 5, 6. Let me tell you about Sserafim.
Down here, right and left. Okay? And then from here, just close. And from here, your legs right. Left, you close. Left leg, just relax like this.
Wait, what?
And go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So on count 7, you're already here. 8, you just hold. And from here, we're going to chest part. We go. So on count 7, you're already here. 8, you just hold. And then from here, we're going to chest part. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3.
Wait, what?
4,